Howdy ho, bitches. Here we are. Another day. Beautiful. Sun is shining. Bit fucking windy though. Off for another excursion. Gonna challenge the Hill of Death one more time. Also doing something different today. Using another telephone. I'm using my drone phone. I filmed a bunch of these walking around videos on another phone, and I never checked any of them. And I decided I might as well see what these are all about. And there's a hissing noise in the audio. I don't know what it's coming from. So, we'll see if it's this phone. Makes a difference. I'm high as fuck, don't worry if I'm not making sense. What's challenging the Hill of Death if you're not high? High as fuck. So, let's go. Why am I recording it? So, if I die, my demise will be fucking evidence. Fuck, it's windy. There'll be no drone flying today. I don't want to go. No point in going if there's no fucking drone flying. We will postpone. My camera test will work though. Actually, the wind is good. I'm too high to make decisions. Feels good just standing here. Fuck it. I'm not going. It's too windy. And I remembered to bring my fucking glasses this time. Yeah, it's too fucking windy. Walking in circles, you're right, that's me. Yeah. Look at the wind. Look at the wind? How can you look at wind? No drone flying in these conditions. Safety first, bitches. I'm not talking about the Hill of Death. That's never safe. Oh well. Maybe tomorrow you'll want to settle down. Alright, bitches. I'm shutting her down. Stoppez-vous.